Hello everyone, welcome to Education KA channel. Today I have one exercise like on screen. If 1 over a plus 1 over b plus 1 over c is equal to and a plus b plus c equal abc, find the value of expression 1 over a square plus 1 over b square plus 1 over c square. Before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. And now we go to the solution together. Okay, now we have 1 over a plus 1 over b plus 1 over c equal 2. So I can raise both sides of this equation to square. So I get 1 over a plus 1 over b plus 1 over c all squared equal to square, and I get 1 over a all squared plus 1 over b all squares plus 1 over c all squares plus 2 multiply 1 over a multiply 1 over b and plus 2 multiply 1 over b and multiply 1 over c and plus 2 multiply 1 over a and multiply 1 over c equal 4. And this is equal 1 over a square plus 1 over b square plus 1 over c square plus this we take 2 out, we get 2 factors 1 over ab plus 1 over bc and plus 1 over ac and equal 4. And then this we can write it 1 over a squared plus 1 over b squared plus 1 over c squared plus 2, and this we get a plus b plus c over abc and equal 4. This we multiply with c and d we multiply with a and d we multiply with b. Okay, and but a plus b plus c equal abc, so that we can simplify it. Okay, so that's 1 over a square plus 1 over b square plus 1 over c square equal 4 minus 2 and equal 2. Thus 1 over a square plus 1 over b square plus 1 over c square equal 2. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting video. Goodbye.